안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 Charmaine입니다. Sup, guys? It's your girl Char. All right, so I'm not ready for this next one. Whew. Okay, so Rain has come back. I had seen a teaser, and it shook me, really shook me, because Rain is everything. Whew, whew, girl. I haven't even started yet, and I'm already super shook. Okay, when I first heard about it though, I wasn't super excited because I heard that it was Rain and Psy, so I thought Psy was gonna be in the song, and I was like, I'm not sure how I feel about that because I don't really care for Psy. But now that I'm looking at it, it's just Rain. It was produced by Psy, but it's just Rain. We're not even gonna talk about this. We just gonna get into the video. I can't do it. Starting in 3, 2, 1, 시작. Piano chords hit you real hard at first. Oh my god. You better sing. You better sing. He snaps. Yes. Ooh, girl. Yes. What? Yes. In the red light, bitch. What? Excuse my language. Yes. Yes. What? What? This isn't what I was expecting, but can you move your hand? Can you move your hand? There we go. Yes. Hit it with the backup dancers. Yes. In the white? What? Yes, in the blue lights. What? I feel like his hat had the Korean flag. No, it didn't. I'm tripping. Why is this dance lit, but this song is so chill? What? It's got the undertones of being a really lit song, but his voice is just so chill. I'm sorry, I'm making really ugly faces right now. You don't understand how I feel about Rain. Hit it with the dance moves. Yes. Hit that note. Yes. He hit that note. Oh my god. Can I learn this dance though? Oh. so shook. Don't look at me like that. What? Readjusting your hat. Oh, I hate him. Oh, Lord. No, no, no. I wasn't ready for that. I was not ready for somebody to just be that rude and disrespectful to me today. Are you serious? Like, you just go, okay. Yeah, sure. What? Ooh, girl. I'm having a hard time. That was that was nothing but complete magic. Y'all don't even understand. Like, I don't think anybody really understands just how big of a Rain fan I am. Like, I have no more words. That was exceptional. Okay. Yeah, so if you liked this reaction, please like, share, subscribe. And yeah, if you have any other videos that you would like me to react to, just put it in the comment section below and I'll try to get to it if I haven't seen it already. But yeah. And you?